Hello everyone, this is Rohit, your yoga instructor. Today, I will be guiding you through 5 simple stretches which should be practiced every morning. Doing these stretches every day will help you to improve the flexibility, release the pain or the stiffness and improve the circulation. This is a follow along video. You can watch and do this. Or you can watch the complete video and later practice. So let's dive in. Let's begin now. First, keep your feet hip width distance, your spine straight. Take few deep breaths, deep inhalation and exhalation. Relax. The first stretch we are going to do is forward bending. Okay. So now first raise your toes up, bend forward, hold your elbows, stay there and breathe. Slowly come up. That is the first stretch. You can hold this for 20 counts or 30 counts. Let's do this second time. Again, toes up, bend forward, hold your elbows, stretch. So this stretch improves the flexibility of your back muscles, gives a nice stretch to your hamstrings. And also the contraction on your abdomen while bending forward improves the digestion. So the next stretch we are going to do is high lunge posture. Step one leg forward, that is your left leg forward. Then take your right leg back, place your right knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Okay. Now your left shin is perpendicular. Then your right thigh is inclined, your right quadriceps is inclined. Take your hands behind the waist, interlock your fingers, extend your arms. So your shoulder blades are squeezed, you're getting a nice stretch to your right quadriceps. Stay there for 20 counts. After 20 counts or 20 seconds, go in downward facing dog. This gives a nice stretch to your shoulders, Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. At the same time, your calf muscles are stretched, your hamstrings are stretched. Make sure you're breathing deeper in all the stretches. Now take your right leg forward, left knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Make sure the right shin is perpendicular. Then raise your trunk. Your left thigh is inclined. Take your hands behind the waist, interlock your fingers, extend, stretch. Same 20 counts again. So that was 20 counts. Let's repeat this again. Go back, Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. Yes, left leg forward now. Right knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Your trunk straight, interlock your fingers, push the pelvic forward. Breathe, breathe deeper. Again, the palms down, take your left leg back, downward dog, the right leg forward, left knee on the floor, toe pointing back. Your trunk straight, shoulders back, interlock your fingers, push the pelvic forward. Again, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. So you can repeat this thrice or even 2 times is good. Now sit in Vajrasana. The third stretch you are going to do is cat and cow pose. To do cat and cow, you need to come in tabletop position. Make sure your arms are straight, your shoulder joint and your wrist joint should be in same line, and your thighs perpendicular. And now you need to synchronize the breath with the movement. Inhale and arch your spine. Look up. Exhale and round your spine. Inhale, arch. Exhale and round. So this is cat cow stretch. Let's do this 15 times now. Sit in Vajrasana, relax. So this is one of the best postures, Vajrasana, which you can practice daily, and it's too good for the digestion. This is the only posture which can be done immediately after the meals. And like I said, it's good for your digestion. Take few deep breaths and relax. Okay, let's do this second round. Again, come in tabletop position. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine. We did it 2 rounds, and you can of course do it 2 rounds and even 3 rounds if required. Now the next stretch we are going to do is combination of two stretches, that is butterfly and pancake stretch. So first interlock your fingers, bring the heels close to perineum and tap your legs. Then you can count 30 in your mind. Yes. So that was 30 counts. And then spread your legs. Now take your hands in front of you. If you're not flexible, even if you're bending this much, it's fine. If you're flexible, keep extending the arms and just see if your lips or forehead is touching to the floor or your chin. Make sure you're breathing deeper whenever you do any stretches. Now let's do this second time. Again, flap your legs. Again, spread your legs. And then extend your arms. Bend as much as possible. Even if you do this, it's fine. If you're not flexible, place your forearms down and feel the stretch. If you're flexible, then you can extend and try taking lips of forehead down on the floor. Stay there. Yes, slowly come on, relax. The last stretch you're gonna do is abdominal twist. Okay, and for the abdominal twist, you need to lie down in supine posture. Keep your legs bent, then drop your leg towards the right. Keep your left hand pronated. Your right palm pressing your left knee. Turn. Feel the stretch. Stay there. Change. Let's do this on other side. Your left palm on right outer knee. Press your left palm down. Right shoulder blade on the floor. Keep your right hand pronated. Stay there. Now let's repeat this again. Drop your legs towards the right side, right palm on left outer knee, your left arm pronated, left shoulder blade on the floor, twist your neck, stay there. Now let's repeat this on other side. So if you're done, lie down in Shavasana, relax. Do not try to control your muscles, allow the muscles to relax. Continue breathing deeper. You can do Shavasana for 5 minutes minimum or maximum, whatever time is available. This video can be useful for people who are too busy and find it hard to work out. So if you think this is useful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you and namaste.